go. Alright. Went for a ride yesterday. Lasted about 15 minutes. First mud hole I hit, I heard all kinds of noises coming out of the front of the Sportsman. So it sounded like ice or sticks, you know, squealing underneath it at first, and then once I was able to get off it and look at it, some serious crunching going on inside the diff. That Seco pinion plate was fine, it held up. Just the seal looks like it blown out. And the pinion shaft, I think, is what broke. Probably caused that seal to blow out the way it did, because there's fresh fluid dripping out of it afterwards. So I don't know what to think about that Seco plate. If it's, you know, you're gonna break the stock one, break the pinion shaft, or just snap the pinion shaft and the plate stays intact. We'll see if it, once I get it taken apart, we'll see if it saved, you know, anything else. It may have. It may have prolonged the life of it a little bit. It's hard to tell. So now I'm going to the dealer. We're going to see. They're going to look at it and tell me. The stock pinion plate, so if they gotta send them pictures, they can just, you know, it'll look unmodified, so they have no reason to deny the claim. If not, I gotta fix it anyway, and we'll see. It's frustrating. It's frustrating having to break something. Every time I ride it, it feels like I've been breaking something lately. 636 miles on it. Well, boys, let's see if we can see. Catch that. 635 miles. My diff is blown. The pinion plate is good in there, and the drive shaft is tight in there, but it's making a hell of a noise behind that axle. So goodbye to that diff. I mean, I don't feel like I was that hard on it that I should be blowing a diff, but I guess it is what it is. Makes this day a little shorter than planned, but I don't know. I don't know what we do from here. See if it gets covered under warranty. Even if it does, I don't want another shitty Polaris diff or a high lifted diff, whatever, in the front of it, just so it can break again. Yep, but that's where we're at. Here we are. They love seeing me coming. I know I broke something. truck. Go in for surgery. Let's see. You can see that better. Alright, so we just got home. From the sounds of it, the service manager over there said that they should take care of it, no problem, which is good. For everyone wondering, when you buy a high lifter, if you've bought one, you know you can't get a Polaris warranty on a high lifter. You have to get a third party or whatever aftermarket warranty. Mine is a Western warranty. And he told me it shouldn't be a problem getting the diff replaced. I know there's some warranty companies that will deny everything. Some of you guys already know, if you watch Old Nasty 79's YouTube channel, if I followed him, when he broke his diff, his warranty company denied his claim on it, and he had to fix it out of his own pocket. So it's kind of nice that they took care of it for me. We'll see how it goes. He even said that it's possible that I can do the 900 diff swap, because they just send him a check, and whatever he applies it to, he applies it to. So I'll get more info on that when I hear back from him, but we'll see. I haven't gotten a definite yes yet, just his thoughts that he thought it should be covered, no problem. So hopefully that's the case when he calls me back and tells me that it's covered. So, I'll let you know as I know. Thanks.